Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking what is genuinely the ultimate masterclass on building a highly lucrative TikTok empire. And honestly, here's the absolute kicker. You can do the whole thing without ever stepping in front of a camera. We're diving deep into the TikTok Automation Mastery course ebook today, and we'll be breaking down the exact 2025 AI strategies that top creators are using right now to scale digital businesses from total scratch. If you've ever wanted to leverage the most powerful algorithm on the internet to generate revenue on autopilot, well, you're in exactly the right place.
So let's just be brutally honest for a second. The traditional path to content creation, it is exhausting. You have to buy all this expensive gear that usually just ends up gathering dust in a corner, you have to deal with crippling camera anxiety, spend hours upon hours editing, and eventually you face almost inevitable burnout. But what if you could just bypass all of that? What if you could build a massive, highly engaged audience and a profitable business without ever showing your face? Today, we're going to completely challenge the old way of doing things and introduce a much smarter, highly optimized workflow. And honestly, this brings us to the absolute best part of this entire system. To get this off the ground, your required startup capital is exactly $0. You heard that right. You literally do not need a massive budget to launch this empire. As we'll see, the tools and systems outlined in this course are specifically designed to get you profitable before you ever have to spend a single dime.
Now, you might be wondering, why does this matter so much? Because starting with $0 can lead to some absolutely staggering numbers. We're talking like $24,300 in monthly revenue. That's a real, actual figure from the agency case study inside this ebook. So the stakes here are immense, and the potential upside, it's completely life-changing.
Okay, here's exactly what you'll discover inside this ebook. Section 1 is Build a Faceless TikTok Empire. Section 2 is the 10-chapter Master Roadmap. Section 3 covers your 50-plus AI tool stack. Section 4 dives into 8 proven monetization methods. Section 5 looks at real success, breaking down that $24,300 a month. And Section 6 shows you how to start today for $0. Section 1. Build a Faceless TikTok Empire, the new era of content.
Let's get one thing straight right away. TikTok automation is absolutely not about spamming the platform or using sketchy, bannable bots. That's a huge misconception. It's actually about using artificial intelligence and proven workflows to create and publish extremely high-quality content on autopilot. We're talking about posting 1 to 3 times a day, every single day, with absolutely zero camera time. It's highly efficient, it's fully ethical, and honestly, it's precisely what the algorithm is desperately looking for right now.
Section 2, the 10-chapter Master Roadmap, your step-by-step guide.
Inside this 40-page blueprint, you are getting just an overwhelming amount of actionable value. I mean, it literally decodes the TikTok algorithm so you know exactly how the For You page operates. It completely covers AI-powered video creation, how to actually choose a profitable niche, the exact viral content formula, and how to scale this entire operation up to $10,000 a month. It leaves absolutely no stone unturned.
The ebook also provides this brilliant 90-day launch plan. So days 1 through 14, that's your foundation, getting your account and your AI tools completely set up. Then you enter the content blitz phase to hit your first 10,000 followers. By day 46, you're officially activating monetization. Then you optimize your best performing content, and by day 90, you are scaling to multiple accounts or even hiring virtual assistants. It's a fast, aggressive, and highly structured path directly to revenue.
Section 3, your 50-plus AI tool stack, the engine behind the empire.
The course includes this carefully curated directory of artificial intelligence tools that is basically your secret weapon. You can generate top-tier, viral scripts entirely for free. Heavy hitters like ChatGPT and Claude Sonnet have free tiers that are more than capable of writing your daily content. You can write punchy hooks, create compelling calls to action, and brainstorm endless ideas without ever touching your wallet.
Just look at the stark contrast between these two approaches. The old manual workflow is, well, it's grueling. It's hours of filming, incredibly complex editing, and that inevitable creator burnout we talked about. But the AI automation workflow, it's a total game changer. It uses lightning-fast automation chains with Make.com, viral script generation with ChatGPT, incredibly natural human-sounding voiceovers with ElevenLabs, and instant auto captions with CapCut. You're basically doing the work of an entire production team in a fraction of the time.
Section 4, 8 proven monetization methods, turning views into cash.
Okay, so the course completely deconstructs the hard math behind the earnings.
The secret here is that you aren't just relying on one income source, you're stacking them. You've got the TikTok creativity rewards paying out based on qualified views, you have TikTok shop affiliate commissions coming in, you've got brand sponsorships and digital product sales on top of that. If you look at the estimates from the book's 50K follower projection, stacking these specific methods easily pushes a channel toward $8,000 a month. It's a highly diversified, incredibly lucrative business model.
Section 5. Real Success. $24,300 a month. Data-driven proof.
Now check out this explosive 4-month trajectory of a solo creator in the finance niche. In month 1, they literally made 0, but by month 4, they hit $5,300. How on earth did they do it? Well, they used ChatGPT to write 75-second motivational scripts, paired them with AI voiceovers, and layered the whole thing over free stock footage. By narrowing their focus from generic motivation to hyper-specific money and mindset content, they triggered massive algorithm growth and entirely capitalized on it.
But listen, if you really want to scale, the ebook delivers this massive pro tip, the agency model. Instead of just running your own channels and waiting on the algorithm, you run this automated system for other businesses. In the book's case study, an agency managing 18 client accounts generated a staggering $24,300 a month. They relied on virtual assistants and those automated make.com workflows to handle the heavy lifting. It is absolutely the ultimate fast track to massive revenue.
Section 6. Start today for $0, crushing your excuses.
Okay, so it's the ultimate beginner objection, right? The one question that creates more friction and hesitation than anything else. Do I really need to show my face to be successful on TikTok in 2025? The answer is a definitive, absolute no. The highest earning automated channels out there right now are 100% faceless. They use incredible AI tools to piece together compelling narratives because, honestly, the algorithm does not care if you have a fancy ring light or a perfect on-camera smile. It only cares about watch time, engagement, and retention. The playing field is completely leveled for all of us. And that brings us to the final, most important thought from the Mastery course. The algorithm rewards action. Take yours now. Think about it. You have the strategy. You have the $0 tool stack, you've got the 90-day roadmap, and you've seen the undeniable proof that faceless channels can generate massive income. The systems are built, the blueprint is waiting for you right inside this ebook. So the only question left is, are you going to let another whole year pass you by, or are you ready to grab the master roadmap and launch your empire today?